Hi friends, good evening and welcome to my channel Mukambika Nursing. Friends, today we are discussing questions for CHO NHM exam preparation and also for JPHN exam Junior Public Health Nurse exam Kerala PSC. Surely these questions will guide you for your studies. First question, National Institute of Tuberculosis is situated in options. Option A Mumbai, option B Bangalore, option C Kolkata, option C Chennai. National Institute of Tuberculosis is situated in Bangalore. Option B is the correct answer. National AIDS Control Organization is situated in New Delhi. National Institute of Communicable Disease also situated in New Delhi. Here are question. National Institute of Tuberculosis is situated in Bangalore. The next question, most common site of congenital tuberculosis is options. Option A lungs, option B liver, option C pancreas, option C intestine. Most common site of congenital tuberculosis. It is option B liver. Tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It's an acid-fast gram-negative bacteria. Its route of transmission is through airborne and droplet infection. Tuberculosis is also known as barometer of social welfare. The next question, headquarters of UNDP, United Nations Development Programme. Options, option A Geneva, option B New York, option C Italy, option D Rome. Headquarter of UNDP is option B New York. Headquarter of UNICEF is New York. Headquarter of WHO is Geneva. Headquarter of FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization is Italy. Rome, Italy. Next question, National Institute of Virology is situated in option A Bangalore, option B Pune, option C Hyderabad, option D New Delhi. National Institute of Virology in Pune. Option B is the correct answer. And the next question, National Institute of Nutrition is situated in options. Option A Bangalore, option B Pune, option C Hyderabad, option D New Delhi. National Institute of Nutrition in Hyderabad. Option C is the correct answer. The next question, birth must be registered within options. Option A 7 days, option B 14 days, option C 21 days, option D 30 days. Birth must be registered within 21 days. Option C is the correct answer. Birth and Death Registration Act came in 1969 and birth should be registered within 21. Same death also should be registered within 21 days. And the next question, the best indicator of air pollution is options. Option A carbon dioxide, option B carbon monoxide, option C sulfur dioxide and option D suspended particles. Correct answer is option C sulfur dioxide, the best indicator of air pollution. The next question, bed strength in PHC is options. Option A 2 to 4 beds, option B 4 to 6 beds, option C 6 to 8 beds, option D 8 to 10 beds. PHC means primary health centers. Primary health centers is first contact point between village community and the medical officer. The first contact point between village community and medical officer is PHC. PHC have the bed strength 4 to 6 beds. PHC acts as a referral center for 6 subcenters. PHC acts as a referral centers for 6 subcenters and the PHC covers 30,000 population in plain area and 20,000 population in hilly tribal areas. Here our question, bed strength in PHC is 4 to 6 beds. And the next question, total number of staff in sub-centers. Option A 3, option B 5, option C 7, option D 14. Total number of staff in sub-center is, in sub-center contain one health worker female, that is ANM staff 1, and also health worker male 1, and one voluntary health worker. Okay, total 3 staff in sub-center. One health worker female, one health worker male, one voluntary health worker. Total 3 workers in sub-center. Sub-center is the first contact point between primary healthcare system and community. Sub-center covers 5,000 population in plain area and 3,000 population in hilly or tribal area. And the next question, one basic health worker for 10,000 population was recommended by option A Mudaliar Committee, option B Chandak Committee, option C Bo Committee, option D Qatar Singh Committee. One basic health worker for 10,000 population was recommended by Chandak Committee. Option B is the correct answer. Chandak Committee in 1963. Here we discussed questions from community health nursing. Surely these questions will helpful for your studies. So if it is useful for your studies, please share to your friend circle.